What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new episode. We are currently in Margret River watching the WSL. If you don't know what it is, it's the World Surf League. Basically, it's pro surfers from all around the world that compete against each other for the World Championship. And currently, they are doing the World Championship here in Australia at Margret River on the west side of Perth. It starts tomorrow and we're going to go check it out and hopefully kick it with some pro surfers.
Allow me to introduce myself. My name's Ronan Apaapa and I formerly referred to myself as New Zealand's most underrated YouTuber. But since moving to the west side of Australia, that's changed. I've always had a soft spot for creating dumb content, so why not bring it over here to Australia?
Well, we've made it to Bob's paddock or whatever the hell it is. I don't know, some paddock, it's just like an overflow. And then they've got a free shuttle for us to catch to Surfers Point to watch the surfing. So we're just en route to that.
What's up, guys? Professional surfer Ronan Apaapa here, checking out the Margret River Pro. All the athletes that are here are actually the ones that I've trained over the years. The main mission today is to see if we can meet up with as many surfers and athletes as we can. Don't really know how we're going to do it, but we're going to try. Might chuck on the wetsuit and go out for a wave with the boys, maybe one or two, catch a couple barrels, but we'll see.
With all jokes aside, it's actually quite fun seeing the boys in their element doing what they do best. I've always admired the way they can maneuver a board, especially knowing that I can't do that at all.
We're sitting here watching the surf go off. There's only a few of them out there. The main person that we're here to see is Idolo Ferreira. He is a surfer that we have been wanting to see forever. The whole time I've ever surfed in my life, he's the one guy I've always looked up to, and he's surfing next. Hopefully we can get a video of them, feature him in the vlog or something. Oh yeah, check these fellas out. We got the Bali crew joining us, eh? We're currently waiting for Idolo to walk up this pathway here. How do you think it's gonna go? Yeah, I feel like that. Oh, Idolo, come on the vlog, and you just be like, ha, and then we'll walk past. We still have 15 minutes, but because everyone here is like waiting to get Idolo's like little high five or something. Carly just got absolutely wiped out from a high five from Jack Robinson. Moment of truth. We're hoping to talk to Idolo for like a quick sec, but he's charging through these people, so we'll have to see what happened. Last dude who went past, I did like a little interview with him and I wasn't recording. Absolutely fumbled it.
Eu quero a foto com bochecha.
What? Yeah, man, for sure.
It was time. With Idolo approaching closer, the nerves kicked in and I had a million questions to ask. How do I surf like you? Why aren't my arms as big as yours? But then I panicked and said this.
Idolo, say what's up to the vlog.
Hey!
Can you tell them that we're related?
What?
Can you tell them that we're related? Worth a shot. Nice to meet you, man.
Obviously asking the wrong question, at the time I felt it was a success. We both still walked away with happy smiles on our faces, knowing we got to meet the surfer we always looked up to. We stuck around for a bit longer to check out what the boys do best, and we even hung out with an Australian celebrity, even though he was a cardboard cutout.
Well, we've just wrapped up watching the surfers. We're pretty stoked. So we're going to make moves, probably just go to Marg's, get something to eat. But yeah, very successful day. I think we're quite happy.
If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get one down in a second if you wait. I fly like
That is wicked. There's something about watching the power of waves that just get your adrenaline going. Watching this makes me miss home. Obviously, living on the coast, you see waves like this all the time. And we thought we'd finish off our successful day here. I'd like to call it successful. As you can see, I got a big smile on my face, and that's mainly because, you know, we met our idol on surfing. Idolo Ferreira. Idolo Ferreira is our idol when it comes to surfing. He's the world champion. Yeah, man, like it's stoked. We met a lot of other surfers too. I don't know, just a really stoked dude. Carly, do you have anything to add to the camera?
Today's been sick. It's been cool to see all the surfers and just out there in their element, and the waves have been cool to see. I feel like in Perth we don't get much, so it's nice to see waves again.
Good morning, guys. We are freezing. We are currently on our way to Wedge Island, which is a fishing spot just out of Perth. Yeah. Holy crap, it is freezing though. Like, look at this.
It's all icy as. Oh my gosh, it's mad ice. God damn. It's not usually this cold here in Australia. Hey, we're warming the car up, so hopefully it's nice and warm, but we need to make tracks because we're fishing, baby. Woo!
So we just got to Wedge. The local community's got a local river in the middle of the drive. So someone's got to do it. Oh, that's so fine, bro. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, nah, that's deep. Let's go. Whoa. Oh, don't come this way. Definitely don't come this way, bro. My ankles. What the hell do they have? Look there. They have like the local store. Yeah, we're locals. we can't even make it to the store.
Don, I need you to walk the whole way.
That's a big ask, bro. This is okay. This is okay. This is not okay. No. Nah, that's definitely not okay, bro. That's deep as.
Yo, usually this doesn't have this water. You could drive all the way to the beach. The beach access is right there. And then we get here, it's like a damn lake. Okay, after a bit of deep sea scaping to get to the spot, finally made it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Wedge Island. Oh, yo, hey, Zion's here. This is your introduction to the vlog.
I live in Perth now.
Yo. He's been on the vlog yonks ago.
Actually, the last time that you guys would have seen me was when we were sending off Ronan at the airport, actually.
Yes, he actually said goodbye to us at the airport. He moved over, he's living with us, and he's doing real estate videography, the same as what we do. Enjoying it so far?
Loving it, actually. Quite like Perth. And our spot all the way up north almost doesn't even count as Perth. We're like 20 minutes away from the outback, really, so.
That's a fact. Okay, let's get amongst it.
When you grab a hold of me, you tell me that I'll never be set free. But I'm a parasite. Creep and crawl, I step in. 2 pints of
What have you got?
Yeah!
Yeah, that looks massive.
Yeah, we got the snapper, but I'm gonna put him back before he dies. Now, it may look like a summer's day, but we are currently still in winter, which means that we're still wearing hoodies out here at the beach because it's still damn cold. All right, we out of here. Now, the scariest part is that as you guys saw us coming in, we nearly sank the car in those massive puddles. We have to go back through them, so hopefully, what is it, the sun heats up and what's it called? Yeah, the condensation happens and evaporation really comes off of the floor from the bottom, mate. So, you know, we're gonna go straight through those. Is that a good Australian accent? Woo! In moments like these, you can discover that life and adventure can actually be great. Getting shut down by Idolo, even though he's my uncle, catching small fish, and exploring West Coast with loved ones. Safe to say, we're doing life right.
throwing petals like, do you love me at night? Head is spinning and it don't know when to stop. She said forever, babe, did you mean it at night? Hold on, hold on.
Welcome to the Pinnacles. That was pretty good. Hey,
First try.
come on, guys. Hey, comment down below if you think that was cool.
If we just start a band.
Yeah, comment.